Hi, Linda Sessions, and we are going to talk about creating an event flyer using Microsoft Word. I want you to think about an event that you need to plan. It could be a family event, maybe it's some type of a sports party, or just a get-together with your friends. Might be a Halloween party. How would you create a document in Word advertising that event? That's what this assignment is about. Using those skills that you've learned in Microsoft Word so far and some new ones that you've just read about, and create a flyer based on your individual event. So let's go into the assignment instructions for event flyer, and let's talk about what I expect you to do. So here is the Word assignment. It is worth 20 points, and you are going to use your creativity to create this flyer. I want it to be your own design. Don't just copy and paste what I show you. I'm going to be showing you in a minute a flyer that I created for a Halloween party. I mean, you can do a Halloween party, just don't copy everything from my flyer verbatim. Create your own event. So you're going to first open up Microsoft Word to a blank document and then save it with your last name, event flyer. I want you to go to the file page setup and make sure all of your margins are set to 1 inch. You can either use landscape or portrait for your flyer. So you're going to create a 1-page flyer, and these are the things right here that you must have in your flyer. I want a title formatted in some way other than Calibri or Arial. If you want to use word art for your file like you did in the poster, you can do that as well. I want a subtitle for your event. The time and date needs to be someplace on your flyer, and the location. Now, it doesn't have to be in this order on the flyer, but you need to make sure that that information is there on your flyer in some way. Some type of a message that's going to make your readers want to attend your event, something that's going to pique their interest. And then I want a bulleted list of at least 3 items that go over maybe some of the activities you're going to do at the event, or maybe what somebody who attends the event can expect to get out of it. I want at least 1 shape with fill color and text on your flyer in some place, and 1 or 2 images that support your event, and they can be photographs or they can be something from the online Microsoft Word picture gallery. And then I want any additional text or graphics or whatever it's going to make your flyer look better, and I want you to make sure that you add a page border to the flyer. Make sure you spell everything correctly, and try to have some fun doing it. Now, a lot of this is similar to what you did in your collage poster about you, but this is going to go in. I want you to enter some text and some bulleted items in this one. So you can see here is a flyer that I put together using Microsoft Word. And don't use Google Docs and then save it as a Microsoft Word. That's not going to work. But you can see here I did a Halloween festival, got my date and time and the location on my flyer. I've got my main title, which is the Halloween festival, but I also have a subtitle: Get ready for a spooky night of fun and frights. Then you can see I have a little bit of information. I've got bulleted list, and I actually have 6 items in my bulleted list. You don't need to have that many. I have a picture of a ghost on there. I have a shape, a half moon shape that I filled with yellow. And then at the very bottom, I have a rectangular shape that I created, and then I shaded that and added text. So, and finally, I have a picture of a haunted house that I added here and I formatted, and then I have my page border. So this is what I did for a Halloween festival. Again, You don't have to do a Halloween party, do a bridal shower, a football party, basketball party, graduation party, family reunion, any type of party, any type of event. Maybe you're going to do an event to raise money for a local animal shelter or something. Whatever you want to do, just make sure that you have all of those elements in your flyer. This is what I'm going to be looking at when I grade it. Let's see, you have 20 points that are possible. This is what I'm going to look for. So, that is information on the event flyer. Use your imagination. Use the word skills that you've already learned so far this semester. I look forward to reading your event flyers.